All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Ford Mustang. It is the premium package, soft top convertible with 21,000 miles, alloy wheels, fog lights, backup camera, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Front bumper looks good. Your hood looks good. Your fender looks nice. Here's your front driver's rim. I don't see any curbing here. Let's check out your tire thread, which is at 830 seconds. This door looks good. This quarter looks good. This rear driver's side rim looks good. I don't see any curbings. Tire thread back here is just under 730 seconds. Here's your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. This is a powered seat. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. We jump into this vehicle real quick. Let's check out instrument cluster and stuff like that. Push start system. Hold on. Push start system. Just clicking it like an idiot. Does come with one key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your backup camera, PAL. You got your AC controls right down below. You got heated and cooling seats on these cars. All right. You got steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. Boom, boom. You see no lights on. Your mileage of 21,100. All right, very nice. Very nice. Keep it moving. Open up the trunk. Here is your rear bumper. Looks good. Deck lid looks nice. Here's your front driver's. Your trunk space and what that looks like. Do have a spare tire here with some tools. This quarter looks good. Here's your your rear passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing here. Tire thread. It's over 730 seconds on this side. This door looks good. Front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. That's a soft top convertible. It does have the plastic coverings there, which looks pretty cool. This quarter here looks pretty nice. Does have a little ding there. That's about it. Here's your front passenger rim. I don't see any curbing on this one. Your tire thread is over 730 seconds. Very minimal curbing actually on the edges. I'll say 10 or more, just don't golf at all. All right, see at the full. I think I turned on the lights. All right, folks. You can see lights are working, things are happening, folks. Once again, this is a 2017 Ford Ford Mustang, the premium package with 21,000 miles. If you guys have any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.